For A, 6 cos theta squared plus sin theta minus 5 is equal to 0. Theta lies between negative 180 to 180. Okay, first, okay, check using the identity trigo. Okay, identity trigo ada 3 kan? Okay, 1 cos ni plus sin. Okay, baik, kita suruh you all buat ni. Lagi? Apa lagi identity trigo? Siapa ingat? Siapa ingat ni? Identity trigo. Divide by cos lah. Kalau tak ingat, divide by cos. Dapat 1 plus tangent theta squared is equal to secant. Kalau tak ingat lah. And then this one divide by sin. Dapat cos over sin is equal to cotangent. Dalam kepala dia buat lah. Ni cosecant. Kalau tak ingat. Okay. The 3 identity trigo. Which one we going to use? First, second, third. First. Okay, good. The first one. Because of involve this one. Cos theta squared. So, substitute. Okay. Substitute this one plus sin theta minus 5 is equal to 0. Substitute. Ini take cos as a subject. Kita dapat cos theta squared is equal to 1 minus sin theta squared. Substitute. 1 minus sin theta squared. Why? Because of we want all everything in the same trigo lah. Same variables nah. Let's say if you take x as a sin theta, semua in the same variable. Same medium lah. Satu kan tak nak in cos a tangent ke sama je. Kalau cos, if sin. So expand 6 minus 6 sin theta squared plus sin theta. Okay, and then simplify, bring to one side so that this one change to positive. Kan? This one negative. And this one 1. So, negative 1 is equal to 0. Bring sana. Okay? Let's say if your problem dengan ni buat let x is equal to sin. Kalau problem sangat. So, you can get this one 6 x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is familiar quadratic for you. Okay, familiar. This one let is not compulsory. And then continue. Find value x. Factorize. Try factorize. Factorize. So here is 3x. 2x 1 minus plus. Am I right? Double check. Check. And then next is find x. 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. X equals negative 1 over 3. X equals 1 over 2. Okay. And then this is x. We're going to find sin theta. Okay, sin theta. Jadi, therefore, sin theta is equal to negative 1 over 3. Or sin theta is equal to half. So, question asks you to solve. Means that to find theta. This one is in lecture 3. Lecture 2, 3 kot. Lecture 2. I'm not sure lecture 2 atau 3 ya. Jadi tak belajar lagi ya. Jadi sekarang tak apa. If you watch my YouTube video, saya dah buat kan step. Tak apa, saya follow because let's say is hari Rabu ni saya ada kursus, saya bagi video. Tak apa, saya explain sikit ya. Jadi sekarang ni sampai sini. Sini. Okay. So you need to follow the first step lah. Step. you lah. Dalam lecture note lain step tapi sama, isi sama. Okay, for me I use a first step. First step, find basic angle. Okay, basic angle. First step. So now this one is, let's say ni sin theta is equal to -3, right? Okay, basic angle first step. Alpha, basic angle. Sin alpha equals 1/3. This is the first step. Cuba tengok betul-betul Sin alpha equals 1/3. Ignore negative. Therefore, alpha is equal to apa? Nombor tak cantik Check Alpha is equal to what? Check. Okay, itu.
19.47.
19.47. Thank you. Basic angle. Second step. Tengok range. Actually, a range is domain lah. Domain. Given range is -180 theta to 180. Actually, this is domain kalau bahasa tu, tapi tadi range kata kan. So, and then transfer to quadrant lah. Kan? Ini kalau you tengok, cuba tengok saya buat ni. Number line. Okay. 0 degree. Here is 180 positive. -180. I divide to 2 lah. Okay. So kat sini 1. Okay. Sini 1. Dia punya quadrant. So quadrant ini, this one is if you follow this one is negative. Starting here. Okay. Negative means this is negative, right? Follow clockwise direction sampai sini. This is not included lah. Kan? No, this is included. Inside kat sini kan. This one not included. No, this one not included. Okay. Okay, so ini follow clockwise direction. Yang sini, this one di other side ni. Yang ni Yang ini positif. Sana. Okay, positif. Anti clockwise direction. Okay, ini solve for this part je. Ini first one, first case ni. First answer. Okay, so we solve separately. Jadi, basic angle. If you check basic angle 19 kan, 1947 mana, and then baru check kat sini ni sin negative for quadrant is third and fourth for sin negative. Quadrant, the third step is check quadrant.
Kalau dia negatif pun dia sama quadrant ni, kita ada terbalik kan?
Mana this one? Mana ni?
Bukan. Bawah.
Bawah ni.
Kan?
Bawah ni kalau
dia,
untuk
walaupun dia negatif.
Sama. Quadrant kekal. Quadrant is kekal tetap. Kita check quadrant. Kita check quadrant and check basic angle dia lies in the 19 kan? 1947. Sinilah. Okay. And sini. Kat sini. Wait. Dia negative, right? Sini. Okay, because why? Because of suppose kat sini the third and fourth quadrant. So kita ambil dan check. Okay, dia punya jawapan yang ada ni. Point, intersect point ni. 1, 2. This is jawapan. Sini tak ada range. So no answer. Because of tak ada overlap. So answer here je. Jadi kita tengok, okay, kita ambil before ni sin theta. So theta yang number 4 is list all the answers, right? Theta is equal to, cara nak baca, tengok saya baca. Ni starting kat sini, nak sampai sini. Clockwise direction. Okay, alpha is equal to apa alpha tadi? Ni alpha, right? Alpha equals 19. Okay, so 19.47 because of follow the clockwise direction, tak negatif. Comma. And this one pula. Kat sini starting sampai this point. So semua ni 180 minus alpha. 180 minus alpha sama apa? Cuba check. 180 minus 19.47 dapat apa? 16 apa? Sebab tolong 16 53 Oh, tak tolong pun. Betul Dan dia akan follow clockwise direction, so letak negatif. Dua jawapan dia. Okay, saya bagi masa bertenang. Boleh tanya soalan. It's okay. Okay, siapa tak sure, kita follow buat lagi satu siapa tak sure lah. Kita do this one. Yang ni pula. Yang ni. Kita follow basic angle, range, quadrant and list down the formula. Ada sertanya buat Q dulu, quadrant dulu, it's okay. Ada follow the 4 step. Mana-mana satu ada yang ini bertukar-tukar kan, 1, 2, 3 bertukar-tukar as long as complete one set. Okay, so ni cuba tengok sampai sini sin theta yang atas ni you kena simplify dulu. Okay, cuba tengok ini, this is quite important because nanti belajar nanti this one is trigo, you need to know. Okay, yang sin theta sin theta half. Okay, half. Okay, jadi for this one sin theta half, first step, cuba tengok siapa yang mamai tadi, basic angle. Okay, so terus you betul soalan dulu, tulis sin theta half and then just change to basic angle. Sin alpha equals half, ignore negative or positive, basic angle. So alpha is equal to apa? Alpha is equal to 30 degree. Okay, settle basic angle. Lepas tu tengok apa? Range. Range. Tapi tak apa, quadrant pun boleh. Tapi saya tengok range. Okay. Range ini okay, settle. Range ini tak settle. Negative, right? So, saya change to number line. Okay. Why? Because of involve negative, positive degree. And I cut to half now. Okay. So, saya buat 2 mangkuk ni. Okay. Then, check. Oh, for negative ni. Okay, kena follow, starting here. Kena follow clockwise direction up to here. Ni. For negative. Angle negative ni follow clockwise direction. And then for this part, the on the right hand side ni, okay, positive, starting here, anti clockwise direction sampai 180. Okay, ini dia punya range, kawasan dia, range. Okay, and then the third is check quadrant. Okay. Okay, quadrant. And baru check dia punya ni, the assurance. Okay, sin kita positif. For sin positif lies in which quadrant? Sin. Which quadrant? Sin. Cepat jawab. You ni. Sin positif.
First and second.
First and second, tanda first and second. Okay. And baru kalau let's say you kalau nak buat okay basic angle, kalau buatlah basic angle, buat semua. Buat semua basic angle senang. Because ada 4 kan. Buat semua basic angle. Kalau nak puas hati buat semua basic angle. But yang mana yang overlap? You tengok yang mana which one overlap. Sini. 1, 2 and wait. Mana tadi? Oh ni. Ni tak ada. Saya pening pula. Awak senyap pula. Sekejap. Betul lah. Saya pening. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Tapi this not good semula. Saya reverse balik. Not good. Wait. Saya baru boleh tukar. Check ni. Sin theta positif. Mana saya buat? Kenapa saya... Kalau tengok jawapan dia ni je kan? Ni je. Ni bukan jawapannya. Saya tak ajar macam ni. Dia keliru ni. Tak. Saya kena reverse balik. Ini ajaran tak sesat ni. Semula. Sesat. Siap kat awak. Betul. Tak boleh tapi kena faham betul-betul. Simple je kat you all. Semula macam ni kan. Okay. So check quadrant for sign positive. First and second. Cukup. Cukup. Then tengok check dia punya basic angle. Terus buat yang ada ni. Yang ada tanda tick ni. Cukup. Tak payah banyak. Ini basic angle nak. Tapi tak ada overlap. Senang. Tak payah semua. Saya you all lost nanti. Tak faham kan? Okay. So now ini answer is the overlap only 2 answers. Sini tak ada. No answer. No solution, no answer lah. Because of tak ada overlap. So now kita tengok je. So check lagi yang dia actual sin theta. Theta je. So kita list down. Yang ke-4 is list down. List all the answers. Theta. Ini dia follow anti-clockwise. Jadi alpha is equal to 30. And sini alpha is equal to 150. Okay. So for this one, value positive. Why positive? Yang ini je. 5 kan? Positif. Yang the first tadi, saya tengok Okay. Value is negative. Right? On the left hand side je. So kita kutip all. And list down all the answers. Therefore, for this question, answer is negative 160.43 Sekejap. 53. Okay. 53. And then 14 point. Apa? 40 point? Selalu 40 ke? Sekejap. 19. 1947. 1947. 1947. 30 degree 150 degree. Degree tu yang ni bubble punya.
Negative dok. Negative.
Oh, so thank you. Negative. Kena follow lah. The greatest number to the right, the least number to the left. Okay. Okay, for B, second theta squared equals 3 minus tangent theta, and given theta lies between negative heavy 180. Okay, so now given ini, first thing you need to change. Kalau ada square, you need to use identity trigo. Okay, identity trigo involve ini. Second theta squared is equal to 1 plus tangent theta squared. Okay, you change all everything in tangent. Okay, so kita start dulu. Second theta squared is equal to 3 minus tangent theta, and this one change to using identity trigo. This one identity trigo is equal to 3 minus tangent theta, and then like the in general form, plus tangent theta minus 2 is equal to 0. As the problem, just let x is equal to tangent theta, so that you can get this equation. This is familiar, right? This is quadratic. Change all the same variable lah to tangent all right. And then kalau quadratic, you need to factorize. Factorize lah. Kan? Factorize. Okay, and then x is equal to 1 or x is equal to negative 2. Okay, And what is x? Tangent theta is equal to 1. Tangent theta is equal to negative 2. Okay, this is not considered not the final answer lah, because a given theta lies between negative 180 degree to 180. You need to proceed. You have to answer. Ingat ada first case, second case. Kena cari one by one. Okay, sampai sini. Please bagi concentrate sikit. Okay, kita concentrate ni dulu. Tangent theta is equal to 1. Ada step. So first step, saya nak tulis sini dulu. Okay, tangent theta is equal to 1. We have 4 step. So saya buat step saya basic angle. Okay, find basic angle first step, and then check range, quadrant, and list the formula. Sometimes your lecture not rasanya range, quadrant, basic angle dengan list. Whatever it is, just follow lah. Kan? Sama je. Up to you. Senang. Basic angle, range, quadrant, up to you lah. Rak, barak, kuali ke semua kan. So first in this form, dah sampai tahap ni. Follow the first step. Find basic angle. Okay, find basic angle. So tangent theta is equal to 1. Basic angle is tangent alpha is equal to 1. Ini basic angle, right? Alpha kan. So alpha is equal to apa? If tangent theta is equal to 1, alpha is equal to cepat. Alpha is equal to check calculator lah. 45 degree. Okay. So this is basic angle. Second is range. Range is domain actually in function. Range domain lah kan. Given range ni negative 180 to 180. Okay. So saya use number line. Ni number line. Okay. Ini positive 180. This one is negative 180. Okay, and divide to two parts lah, negative and positive, and write down the quadrant ni. Okay, and check. This one is negative, right? Negative, and then negative. So dia punya ni is from here 0 clockwise direction sampai sini. This is negative. Angle negative, starting point X axis, follow clockwise direction. This is part negative. For part positive, okay, this one, okay, starting here, follow anti-clockwise direction sampai sini. This is part positive. Boleh And then this range. Then find the third is quadrant. Quadrant. So check. Tengok the first is tangent. Tangent positive 1. For tangent positive which quadrant? Kita lihat in which quadrant? Tangent positive. Ingat tak? In which quadrant? A S T C, right? Okay. So in quadrant 1 and tangent positive in quadrant apa? 1 and ni kan? 1 and ini. First and third. First and third. So kita tengok basic angle 45. Okay, buatlah basic angle. Okay, kalau you buat sini basic angle, basic angle, basic angle, basic angle. Okay, so check lagi. Oh, this one dia overlap at this point. Only one answer. Negative. For negative angle, this one answer tu negative. Answer suppose negative Yang ini overlap kat sini positive. So this one for tangent theta is equal to 1. Answer is 1 positive answer, 1 negative answer. Sini tak ada line, cross line, right? So tak ada jawapan. So kita tengok the first initialnya tangent theta. Ambil theta ni. if here 2 theta, 3 theta kan ambil semua. Tangent theta, list ke number 4, list down the angle. Theta is equal to, okay, theta is equal to, okay, baca ni, starting kat sini starting point ni, follow clockwise direction up, stop here, ni. Ini. So actually theta tadi berapa? 45, right? 45. So now sini jadi 180 minus 45, 135. Because of follow ni clockwise direction in negative, tak negative. Okay, negative. And the second is, okay tak ni? Sini, starting kat sini. Sini, follow anti-clockwise direction, stop sampai sini. So answer is 45 positive. Okay, positif lah. Tak apa. Okay, 45. Dah settle for first case. Okay, you all. Okay, follow the 4 steps. Okay, so lah nak find range dulu ke, quadrant dulu ke, as long as the fourth is list down. Okay, so yang ini the second case ni, tangent theta equals negative 2. To follow the same procedure, siapa yang blur tadi tu follow balik tangent theta is equal to negative 2. Okay, siapa yang blur-blur cuba tengok balik saya follow ni. Okay, parallelly. Okay, and then the first step, basic angle. And write down the tangent. Soalan dia actually ni. And then basic angle is tangent alpha is equal to 2. Ignore negative. To find basic angle, ignore negative. So alpha is equal to apa? Check for me please. Kami check value. Okay, alpha is equal to check ni 60 63 ni 0.43. Okay, ambil 63.4. okay, it's okay So ignore negative. This is basic angle. Ignore negative. And the second is range. Check range. Given range is theta lies between negative 180 to 180. Transfer to number line. Okay, 180 positive. Macam biasa number line. To the left negative, to the right positive, right? And then here is negative, right? Negative 4. And okay, divide dulu. Senang pecah. Okay. Okay, dan pada show the range kan. Ini range. So given range is here is negative. So follow clockwise direction sampai sini. Part negative. Okay, 0 to negative 180. Okay, and then so for positive. Okay, jadi ini follow this point, follow this point, anti-clockwise direction up to here, stop. Macam tu. Okay, 0 to 180. Habis. Okay, and the next step is check the quadrant kan, which one quadrant positive or negative. Scroll ni, tengok tangent, tangent negative. Which quadrant? Tangent negative. Ya, so actual sekali tengok ni. Yang ni, before you find the follow the bara kuali ni. So tangent negative which one? Which quadrant? Second and fourth, right? Betul second and fourth. Okay, and you boleh buat, okay, buat je lah nak buat basic angle. Buat. Okay, basic angle is equal to alpha, and alpha equals to 63.43. And check, oh, this one overlap ada 1 point, one answer, negative answer. Ni one answer but positive, and because of given 0 to 180 positive. Sini tak ada. Sini tak ada. So check lagi, dia bagi tangent theta, only theta, maknanya theta, 1 theta je. List down theta je. Number 4, list. Okay, theta is equal to sini ke sini. Okay, follow clockwise direction. Alpha. Just now alpha is equal to 63.43. And because of follow clockwise and ini area negatif. Okay, kalau area negatif confirm final answer negatif. Okay, and comma. Sini pula. Ini follow anti-clockwise. Okay, if dia punya okay, given range is positive, answer suppose positive. 180 minus 63.43. Apa jawapan? 1. Cepat. 57. Okay. Positive. So actually you kena ingat yang ini takut you confuse. This one show quadrant. Quadrant sahaja. Okay. And to give final answer either negative positive, yang ini tengok given. Kalau given range dia ada negatif, answer dia mungkin ada negatif. Kalau positif. Let's say if the question give you dalam podcast sometimes bagi macam ni kan, 0 to 360, final answer mesti all in positive. Tak ada negatif. Okay, ingat tu. Kalau value sini this one follow just to show which quadrant je. Dah settle. So final answer, the join the two answers. Okay, yang answer dia. Okay, yang first tadi tu mana? Ni. Okay, negative 135.45. Negative 135.45. And then negative 63.43 and 116.57. This is the answer dia. Join all. Settle. Habis. Okay. Cosecant theta square equals 3 cot tangent theta minus 1. Okay. And theta lies between tu lah. Kan? Negative 180. Okay. So now ini kalau nampak macam something like quadratic, can change to quadratic. Nampak ni connection between cosecant and cot. You know, oh, this is same like identity. Betul kan? Same like the connection is identity. Macam cosecant theta squared is equal to 1 plus cot tangent theta squared. Ada something lah, same thing boleh jadi quadratic. And so just change to this one lah. Okay, to cot. Okay, so to this. Okay, before you start actually study the question dulu. The ini is cosecant, and okay, substitute cot tangent squared is equal to 3 cot theta minus 1. And write that in general form. Cot theta squared minus 3 cot theta. Ini ke sini mati. Hidup. Okay. Plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. And let's say problem dengan benda ni. Let x is equal to cot theta. And jadinya x squared minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Quadratic. Clear? You get quadratic. Okay? When quadratic, the first T is factorize. Factorize. Kan? Factorize. Then get x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2. Okay? So what is x? Cot x theta is equal to 1. Cot theta is equal to, this is good question too. Okay? And then now cot. Cot is 1 over tangent. So you get tangent theta is equal to 1. 1 over tangent. So tangent theta is equal to 1 over 2. Okay. So now we are going to find tangent theta is equal to 1. Tangent theta is equal to half. Okay. And then kita start ada two cases. Kita start one by one. And first yang ni dulu. First and second. First dulu First, tangent theta is equal to 1. Okay. And follow after this one you follow the 4 steps. Barakuli kan. And then first step, basic angle. Write down the actual tangent theta is equal to 1. Basic angle, always alpha is equal to 1. Ignore negative. Ini. Okay. So alpha is equal to 45. Tangent 145. Basic angle 45. Then the second is range. Okay, range theta lies between -180 to 180. Okay, and then change to number line. 180, -180, 0, and separate to two parts. Okay, and then get the quadrant. Okay, range. Here is negative. Ni negative. Okay, means that you need to follow clockwise direction up to here. So this is negative. Okay, this part on the right hand side positive. Okay, so still starting here, follow anti-clockwise up to here. Okay, anti-clockwise. So now tengok quadrant. The third is quadrant. Check yang the first ni, yang the first kali ni. Okay, ini tangent. Okay, tangent 1, tangent positif. Sini dia punya ni 1 plus plus. Kita tengok plus or minus. If plus, tangent positif. Tangent positif. Okay, you follow dia punya tu tangent positif. Which one yang tangent positif? In the tangent positif first and third. Okay. And okay, you boleh buat atau this is basic angle alpha. Okay, and basic angle alpha. So tengok, okay, this is just overlap at one point in negative. So answer 1 negative degree, and the second one is positive. So jadi before you list down, tengok dia punya ni theta. You deal dengan theta. If 2 theta lah, 3 theta di atas sini. Tengok sini. Okay, theta. So number 4 this. Okay, so theta is equal to, so starting kat sini follow clockwise sampai up to here. Alpha is 45. So 180 minus 45 is equal to 135. Because of this one follow clockwise and negative, letak negative. Mesti jawapan negatif. Why? Because this one is negative punya range. Okay. And the next step. Okay. Yang ni pula ni. Kat sini je. Stop follow anti-clockwise. Sini je. So answer is 45 degree. Answer suppose in positive. Why? Because of 0 to 180 is positive. So 2 answers. Settle for the first case. The second case. Tangent theta equals half. Second case for positive. Tangent second case. Tangent theta is equal to half. So first step, basic angle. Okay. So you will change to tangent alpha. Kalau malas, teruslah. Satu tangent alpha is equal to half. Okay, tak ada masalah. Alpha is equal to apa? Let me please. Alpha sama apa? Siapa boleh cari? Cepat.
26.6.
Okay. So settle. Then the next step is second, find the range. Okay, you belajar maths the range domain ni kepala kan. Tapi dia call the range bahasa right. Okay. And then change to number line. 180. Sini 0. To the left is negative. Okay, and then write the boundary. Okay, and show the range using this one quadrant. And now starting here, follow clockwise up to here, settle, negative, and positive, starting here, follow anti-clockwise up here, positive. Okay, then you check, oh this is tangent, tangent positive, tangent positive, baru check sini baru check ni, positif, tangent positif, first and third quadrant, means that first and third quadrant, first and third quadrant. And then basic angle, basic angle, okay, sini and sini, tak mau buat tak apa, this one you know that one not, right? So this is the point, one point yang overlap. So before you list down the quadrant, the third is quadrant, okay, first and third, the fourth is list, okay. Before you list to check, oh sini is theta, and use a theta, theta is equal to, okay, sini follow, okay, alpha ni, alpha ni, okay, mana pula hilangnya, alpha, ini alpha. So 180 minus ni 26.6. Tolong. 180 minus 26.6 berapa? 1 apa? 180 minus 1 5 3.4 hitam je lah. Betul. Okay, so negative, and this one negative because of negative part, mesti jawapan negative. Why? Because of region je, region negative so negative. Okay, yang ini this part sini, ini simple, too easy. Okay, settle, positive, positive, then you list down lah. So answer for this question is yang ni, negative 1, 3, 5, 45. Sama macam ni tadi. Negative 1, 3, 5, 45. Negative 1, 3, 5, 45. Okay, 45. Okay, then 26.6. Then negative 1, 5, 3.4. Okay, done. Settle for C. Okay, so now solve for x. Given, solve for theta. Given theta lies between, included negative 180 to 180. Okay, then check. Let's say study the case. This is squared. If squared, you think about the identity. Identity trigo. Okay, identity trigo. Identity, and then trigo identity number 1, cos theta squared plus sin theta squared is equal to 1. Okay, divide by cos squared 1, sin over cos tangent 1 over cos secant. Okay, ni this one itu divide by sin, sin, cos over sin, cot tangent, sin over sin 1, 1 over sin is cosecant. Okay, so check this one, which one you going to use? Sin, tangent and secant. Which one? First, second, third. Yang ada sin, yang ada tangent, secant. This one lah. Okay, tadi connection. Either you change all to secant or change all to tangent. Better change all to tangent, right? Senang. Okay. Jadi sekarang ni write down tangent. Okay. Plus is equal to 17. Yang ini secant Secant. Ni lah. Ni. Okay. 1 plus tangent. theta squared. Okay, kita substitute. Then simplify. Okay, simplify. Tangent plus tangent 2 tangent theta squared plus 1 of 16 kan. Okay, 16. So tangent theta squared is equal to 8. Okay, so tangent theta is equal to plus minus 8. Okay, then we have two answers lah. Okay, we have tangent theta 8 and tangent theta negative 8. So we need to solve lah ni. First case, second case. Okay, so solve first case, second case. Okay, first case, tangent theta is equal to 8. So, okay, after you get this one, this pattern kan, tangent theta is equal to something, cos theta is equal to something, sin theta is equal to something. Actually, we follow the rule. Ada 4 steps to solve that one. So ingat, okay. So for me, I choose the first step. First step, find basic angle. Basic angle. Second, find range. Range or domain actually. Negative 180 to 180. The third is check quadrant. Okay, positive, negative, tangent. Which one? Which positive, negative, third and first, right? And the fourth is list all the theta. So this one maybe your lecture note dia akan buat quadrant, basic angle or similar adjustment. Okay, but the idea is follow the 4 steps. Okay, nak ingat barakuli, barakuli up tu lah. Ingat. So first step, find basic angle. Basic angle. So terus tangent alpha equals 8. Ignore positive or negative. Negative, ignore negative. So alpha is equal to apa? Just check calculator. Alpha is equal to apa? Check alpha is equal to. Cuba carikan.
70.5.
Okay, thank you. Settle. Second step, range. In function, range is domain actually. Given range, okay, range between negative 180 to 180. Okay, and I transfer this range to domain 180 positive, 0 and negative 180 to number line. So divide to half. Okay, and then write down this one. Let's say this is a simple plane. Simple plane. Okay, and then cuba tengok semua. This is negative. Okay, negative. So dia punya ni starting here, x-axis, follow the clockwise direction. Okay, for negative angle. For positive angle, so positive, right? Ni positive. So positive angle follow anti-clockwise up to 180 kan, 180. Okay, dah. So dah tengok range and check the quadrant pula. The third is quadrant. Quadrant you check first ni first kali ni tangent positive. Tangent positive. Which quadrant? Tangent positive. First and third. First and third. And then check, okay, basic angle terus buat macam ni ke? Terus basic angle. Okay, basic angle is alpha tadi. Alpha and alpha. And check, oh, this one dia overlap at one point. Sini je. Sini no range kan? So tak adalah. So you have one answer, one negative answer. One negative answer. Yang ini 1 point, one positive answer. Ni tak ada range, so tak ada overlap, tak ada. So the fourth step is simple je. List the theta. Nak list theta, tengok ni. Yang first kali ni theta. Buat theta. If 2 theta, 2 theta. 3 theta, theta. So theta, okay, theta is equal to, okay, cara nak baca, starting kat sini, follow the arrow up to here. Ni kat sini. Okay, so 180 minus alpha. Cari kan? 180 minus, okay, kalau malas, 180 minus alpha is 70.5, right? Okay, boleh skip ini negatif lah. Okay, so cari nanti So next step, ni pula yang ni, follow anti-clockwise, stop sampai sini je. So this is confirm 70.5. So ni berapa cari kan? Ni 10.
Negative 109.5.
Okay, thank you. Okay, ni tak payah berskip kalau nak. Okay, so this is the first part. Okay, ada the second case, right? Second case ni negatif. Okay, so settle untuk first part. Second case, tangent theta equals negative 8. Use the same step. Okay, barakuli. Okay, barakuli. Okay, first step, basic angle. Okay, tangent alpha equals 8. Ignore negative. Alpha is equal to 70.5 lah tadi kan. Settle. Okay, second, simple je. Range. Okay, range given is theta lies between negative 180 included 180, and then change to number line. This one is positive. This one is negative. And then boundary. Okay, simple plane. Okay, and then check. This is negative. This one negative. Tak best. Kita tukar. Okay. Ni negative. Ni negative. And then the negative is starting here, follow clockwise direction sampai sini. Okay, this is negative. Dia punya domain lah, atau range. And for the second ni, this one part positive. Positive, follow anti-clockwise up to here. Okay, settle. And basic angle, check atas ni. This one tangent negative. Which quadrant tangent negative?
Second and fourth.
Okay, and then do the ni basic angle. See, boleh skip ni. This one sini, and this one, and this. And check. Oh, this one is only one answer, positive answer for this part. This one is one negative answer for this part. Itu je. And then now this quadrant lah. Quadrant the third is quadrant. Check the quadrant. And then 4 is list the angle. So kita buat the list. Before you list, check dulu. Oh, this is theta. Theta je, not to theta. And then write down theta. Theta is equal to, okay, start here to here ni yang ni. Okay, and that one is 70.5. Follow clockwise direction, negative. And this part ni, follow ni, yang ini 180 minus alpha. Alpha is 70.0. So kat dia tadi apa? 109.5 positive. Positive. So this one. Okay, and then therefore answer for all is negative 109.5 degree, negative 70.5 degree, 70.5 degree, 109.5 degree. Itu answer for all. List down for the case. Habis.